Today we are going to solve this equation to find the x value. Solution: 9 power x plus 2 equal to 36. We know that formula that a power m plus n equal to a power m times a power n. 9 power x times 9 power 2 equal to 36. Now 9 power x times 81 equal to 36. Divide on both sides by 81. Now 81 here, in right hand side 81. This 81 cancels this 81. 9 power x equal to 36 by 81. 9 power x equal to 36 can be written as 9 times of 4 by 9 times of 9. So this 9 and this 9 cancel each other. So we have 9 power x equal to 4 by 9. Now take a log on both sides. Log 9 power x equal to log 4 by 9. Log m power p equal to p log m. X log 9 equal to log 4 by 9. Now x log 9 equal to log 4 by 9. So divide by log 9 on both sides. Log 9 here, log 9. This log 9 cancels this log 9. So we have x equal to log 4 by 9 by log 9. Therefore we know that log a by b equal to log a minus log b. X equal to log 4 minus log 9 by log 9. Now x equal to log 4 by log 9 minus log 9 by log 9. Now this log 9 cancels this log 9. So we have the 1 x equal to log 4 by log 9 minus 1. Now we can return this log as log 4 can be written as 2 to the power of 2 by log 3 to the power of 2 minus 1. Log m power p equal to p log m. We are going to implement this here. So this 2 will come here. X equal to 2 log 2 by 2 log 3 minus 1. So this 2 cancels this. So we have x equal to log 2 by log 3 minus 1. Log a by log b equal to log a base b. X equal to log 2 base 3 minus 1. This is x. Now to check 9 power x plus 2 equal to 36. 9 power x is log 2 base 3 minus 1. This plus 2 equal to 36. Now 9 power log 2 base 3 plus 1 equal to 36. We know that a power m plus n equal to a power m times a power. Now implementing this, 9 power log 2 base 3 times 9 power 1 equal to 36. 9 equal to 3 power 2. So 3 power 2 log 2 base 3 times 9 power 1 equal to 36. As per the power law formula, this comes here. So 3 power log 2 power 2 base 3 times 9 power 9. 9 power 1 is 9 equal to 36. A power log b base a equal to b. We are going to implement this here. 2 power 2 times of 9 equal to 36. Now 2 power 2 is 4 times of 9 equal to 36. Now 36 equal to 36. Hence it is true. LHS equal to RHS. Thus verified.